Hello guys, so ito po yung aming second day dinner dito po sa Dubai. Ano ho, at ibang ano naman po ito, ibang hotel kami dinala para daw maiba naman yung menu. So dito may mga ano po sila, may mga sushi. Yan, so yan, sushi naman tayo ngayon. At ano yan, luto na yan? Papaluto. Yan. Pwedeng magpaihaw. So, pwedeng magpaihaw dito. You're the one who choose or them?
You choose.
Okay. Can I have...
We'll have prawns, fish, and that's fish.
That is, okay. Ayan, meron pong ihaw. Ayan, may inihaw po dito. Mag-iihaw po sila dito.
Hi, sir. What do you like?
Can I have this, and that?
How many pieces?
Mix.
How many pieces? You
No, two each. Maybe in the shrimp, give me 4.
What do you like? One, and fish. 6, 7, yeah.
Yan, habang inaantay po natin yung pinaihaw natin. Yan, ay kukuha muna tayo ng sushi. Sushi naman tayo. Bah, kakaiba tayo ngayon, ano?
Oo.
Sushi naman, para maiba naman.
Oh, sushi.
Oo, kaya pala tayo dinala dito para naman hindi nakakaumay. Galing.
Maiba.
Oo. Very good.
What is this?
Ayan, so yan, sushi naman tayo ngayon. Buffet rin po ito. Buffet dinner din po ito. At ito yung ating pangalawang dinner dito sa Dubai. At ito po ay siyempre sponsored by Stratify. Bayad po lahat po ito. Bayad lahat ng Stratify.
If you want some spice, you can. This is wasabi. Spicy.
Medyo busog pa pero ayan, kakaiba naman siya. Kaya okay lang. Tikman na lang natin ng pakonti-konti. Tayo ng pasahog. Ito yung ating sauce ng sushi. Ayan. The sweet.
Need to put green chili, Rama. Green chili. More and green chili. There is a green chili. Okay.
Excuse me, can I borrow the pieces of this? Two pieces.
What is like medium?
Huh?
What is like the medium?
Medium.
Slow cooked or well cooked? Is that?
Medium.
Chicken thigh for me. How many pieces? One piece. One piece well cooked.
Yan naman po ay ano po yan. Beef.
din ako dyan, ayun.
Beef.
How many pieces?
So, we're waiting for the fish. Social to, social nga yan to. Sushi naman. Ibang klase, ano, talaga.
English food.
English food doon sa kabila. Ay, pwede rin magpaluto ng ano, you know,
Noodle.
noodles. Yan, pwede yan mamaya. Yan, nantay lang po natin yung pinaihaw nating fish, tsaka yung shrimp, tsaka yung beef.
Ah, can I get this steak with
Anton,
Sorry.
medium?
Yeah, medium. Sorry, let's do well done. Yeah, well done.
medyo matagal lang po magpaihaw. You put it directly, okay. Then also the fish. Yan, medium po ito, medium. Excuse me. Okay.
Yeah, so let's open it.
Yan, medyo matagal lang siya.
Green chili? Yeah. Salt.
Okay. Yan, ready na po yung ating first meal. Yan, babalik na lang po ulit tayo sa iba pa mamaya. Kakaiba.
Paluto naman ngayon.
Palur.
Ako ng ano, ng
Ayan, ayan po yung aming dinner for tonight. Ano, buffet dinner din po ito. Sushi naman, sushi. Sushi with kasamang paihaw.
English food yan.
English food. Yan, English food. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, si Ma'am Connie, ayan, oh. Sinusubuan pa talaga, ah. Ayan. Okay po, so ayan yung ating napaka sarap na dinner tonight.